Today we're taking you on an exclusive property tour of a mesmerizing treehouse resort that redefines luxury and nature's embrace. Welcome to the Dominican Treehouse Village. If you guys are new here, my name is Blake, and behind the camera is my girlfriend Kenzie.
Hey.
Well, we've been living here at this treehouse resort for about 2 weeks now, and we kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of an idea of kind of what we've been living in. So yeah, we're going to be giving you guys a property tour of this whole thing. So let's go. All right, so it's about a quarter of a mile up to this point, and the first thing you see is kind of like a half octagon sized pool. It's a great pool to chill, relax in. Me and Kenzie have two major problems with it. Number one is that it is freezing. And number two is you only get sunlight at the pool until about 1 o'clock. After that, the sun is over the mountain. We're not down there right now just because Mikey is sanding the chairs right now, so he's making a lot of noise.
Say hola, Mikey, to our video.
Hello. But yeah, that's about it for the pool. And then if you keep going a little bit further, in front of the pool is where the fire area is at. And there's a bunch of like little swings right there. And then we set the fire off around 8:30 at night. So a lot of the guests go down there and just chill, hang out. So those are about the first things that you see when walking into the property. They have people to help like carry your bags and everything.
So don't worry about that.
So you don't got to worry about that. All right, and as we just passed the fireplace and the pool, you continue walking, obviously. But then there's just very aesthetic, like, bridges through here. Everything's made out of some kind of wood or, like, palm trees. And then at night, they have these, like, light bulbs that light up, like, this whole bridge and all of the other bridges. So, I don't know. It just looks really cool at night. So, very aesthetic, pleasing. Very Instagrammable. So, we'll keep on walking. Michael was in that last shot, so he has like a little shop. So we will head there right now, and there's a few other things that I want to show you here at the property. So let's go. So we just made it to the stepping stones part of the property, which is kind of on the back side, kind of out of the way a little bit. This right here is where we do private dinners at night. Once again, this part is very Instagrammable. I've posted a picture from these stepping stones right outside of these tables. And again, we have these lights kind of going all the way around. It kind of makes it more romantic, I guess. And you can probably see your plate of food when you're eating. It's really cool right here because you have like this whole cave just like right above you, and it's just rock. I don't know, it's just really cool to see. It's pretty big. I tell Kenz all the time, I was like, I feel like an ant here, which just gets like more true and true every day. And it's like all these trees are huge, the mountains are huge. The bugs here are 3 times the size of anywhere else you would see it. The crickets. We found a cricket that was probably like this size in our sink a couple times. Oh my gosh, though. I have a video that I will put in right now of a frog. Biggest frog I've ever seen in my life. Video does not do justice to it, but like I've frog gigged before, and this frog was this long. I shit you not.
Put it by your face. That's a big frog.
Big frog. But anyways, over here we also have the green suspension bridge, which leads to the yoga dome. And that's about it for kind of this side of the property. Right now we will start heading to Michael's shop and then go to the lobby. All right here is Michael's shop, or that's David right behind us, and he kind of runs it a little bit. But there's a whole bunch of different types of paintings they sell. Michael's son actually makes all of the bracelets in here, and I'm not 100% sure about everything that they sell in here, but I know it's a bunch of like necklaces and bracelets and totem poles and like coffee and just a bunch of little like gift shop stuff. Now this is where a lot of the magic happens. You do check in, check out. The bar is also right here, so you can get whatever kind of drink that you want. The kitchen is also just right in the front of the lobby. This is where breakfast and dinner are both served at. There's a bunch of different activities. We have Connect 4, Jenga, card games, dominoes. They have a nice little couch area where people can go over and just relax right over there. Also here at the Treehouse, there is no Wi-Fi for any of the guests. And their whole reasoning behind that is because they want you to disconnect, to reconnect. The feedback that we've gotten from a lot of the guests is honestly that they really enjoy that because they get here and it's like truly a vacation. They can't get on their phone. They can't see what anybody else is doing. So by the time that they're ready to leave, they're almost like refreshed and ready to go back to the real world. This is the best part about the Treehouse. Is we have a dog. His name is Ranger. He is a Rottweiler. He's about 7 months old right now, so he's still a pup, and you can definitely tell because his feet are huge. And his dad, from what we've been told, is 130 pounds. So he's going to be a big boy. So it'll be interesting to see once he grows up how he'll do here. But we love him. He's great so far. And yeah, he's just so cute. Yeah, that's basically it for the lobby area. And now we can head up to one of the rooms, which just happens to be our room. So let's hike up there. Now, one thing I did forget to mention, which is the Treehouse offers like 3 or 4 different excursions. One goes to like this really cool waterfall on some horses and you drive ATVs. This other one goes to like, I think it's like a top 10 beach in the world, like rated on, I don't know, TripAdvisor or something. It's called Playa Recon if you want to look it up. And then we also have zip lining right here on the property. If you are staying, I would recommend 100% to at least do the zip lining. It's not an all-day excursion, so you kind of get best of both worlds by doing it. And there's 11 zip lines. Super high up there, so if you're scared of heights, maybe don't do it. We had a lady here, sorry Tracy if you're watching this, but yeah, she was here, she's super scared of heights, and I like talked her into like doing it, and yeah, apparently she cried the entire way down, so sorry Tracy. Oh, we also have a snorkeling excursion, and right now we're in the midst of hiking up to our room, so.
Walking down a lonely road, you found me.
Alrighty guys, so here is our room. I'm not gonna lie, all the B-roll shots that you are seeing right now are coming up is from the room right beside us. Just our room is just filled up with Kenzie's stuff.
Hey.
So
I require a lot of things.
she's high maintenance.
What can I say? and I'm not afraid to say it.
There you go. Yeah, so each room comes with a bathroom and about 2 like rope swings, like egg-shaped seats. And then this room actually has a pretty cool view of the mountain in the back. There's some that are like really close to the ground, some that are all the way up to where we're at right now. You have a bug net around your bed, which is an absolute necessity when living in the jungle. You have a chest in your room and a safe just to kind of keep your things out of the way and safe. Also, the beach is like a 10-minute bike ride away, so not too bad, about a mile down the road, and the beach is absolutely gorgeous. From if you've seen any of my other videos, then you know what the beach looks like, and it's absolutely phenomenal, and we love going to the beach. So, but that's gonna be the end of the property tour video, and we will see you guys in the next one.
Bye!